Hi, my name's Justin. I'm with Treego, Moncton. We do high ropes expeditions. I'm going to show you some of the activities today. So here we get to a zip line. Setting up is quite simple. You got the red, yellow, red. Your reds, your yellow. Take off your pulley like this. Put it on. Hook it underneath. It's ready to go. Your last red. So you have red, yellow, red. Red, yellow, red. Put them on the top. You're good to go. These cables will bring you around to the next obstacle, which in this case are swinging logs. They're slightly challenging, but they're definitely possible. Once again, clip on to the red cable, you hold on, and you start.